Okay, good morning. Here's our plan for today on Thursday already, the 12th. I did see that I have your infographic turned in. I'll add to the classroom for you a map for Central America and the Caribbean. That's our next unit that we'll be going to. I'll include a map, and I think I already stuck in there the pages from your book to use to help you complete the map and fill it out. Hopefully it's fairly straightforward, but you just got to match up, line number 1 or country number 1 to the text box down at the bottom where it says number 1. Today we'll read the first couple sections from chapter 5. Those will also be in your classroom for you to read, and a couple of review questions and activities to do related to that. Also include the slideshow that we'll be using, which is right here. There are, let's see, I believe a couple videos. So banana plantation video is in here, as well as a video from Haiti in 2010, or about the Haitian earthquake in 2010, which would be this picture right here. All you have to do is click those and you should be able to view them. But these assignments will be in your classroom, as well as all the reading that you need to complete for that section. I'll also include the map for you to complete as well. So that's all I have planned for today. There'll be a few other kind of discussion questions that we talk about as we read, and just to make sure that we're getting the main information from there. If you have any questions, please reach out to ask. Hope you're doing well. We'll talk to you later.